Would you please introduce yourself?
Hi ma'am, good morning. I'm Marilyn Ramos. I'm 42 years old. I'm from Philippines. My educational attainment is high school graduate.
Okay, so do you have experience abroad?
Yes ma'am.
Where?
In Dubai.
How long did you work in Dubai?
6 years.
Okay, in Abu Dhabi, how long?
2 years.
Okay, and then two employer in Abu Dhabi, right?
Yes ma'am.
How long is the other one?
1 year and 8 months.
Okay, so and Emirates Airlines also, you worked there for how long?
4 years ma'am.
4 years. In Singapore, how long did you work in Singapore?
2 years ma'am.
So what are your duties and responsibility in Singapore?
First of all, take care the newborn baby, washing clothes the baby, ironing, cleaning, cooking. That's it.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
3 ma'am.
3 members. Only
Yes.
one helper?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, what do you prefer to take care? Newborn or children?
Newborn ma'am.
Newborn. If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
It's okay ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No ma'am.
So do you eat pork?
Yes ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
No ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to work in Hong Kong, have high salary, and I need to support my family, especially my son needs in the school.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.